Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how we can go ahead and create a calculated column on our SharePoint list. So let's say in our scenario, we have a list of employees here, and then we know that each employee is going to get a yearly bonus of 5% of their salary. So rather than having to go in and individually calculate potentially hundreds or thousands of employees, we could just go ahead and set up a calculated column that will do it for us. So now what we got to do is let's come over to add column. And the calculated column is not going to show up here. So what we're going to have to do, we're going to scroll down here to the bottom to see all column types. Then we'll go ahead and select next. And then it's going to take us to the old view, the classic SharePoint. So from here, we can go ahead and select calculated as our option. And we'll select this as, yearly bonus. And the good part about this too is as the users or as the employee's salary is adjusted, because it's a calculation, we don't have to modify it at all. It'll automatically calculate the new salary for the employee. So now what we need to do, we can add a description, but for our formula, let's go ahead and select salary because that's what we want to do. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to find 5% of the salary. So 0.05. Okay. And then what we want to display it as, we'll display it as currency because it's money. And then everything else looks good. So once we're done, we'll go ahead and select OK. And now that you can see that that formula is in place, it automatically calculated the yearly bonus for that user. Now, if we come over to add new item, you can see that that's not on here, the calculation, because it's being automatically calculated. So it makes sense for someone to be able to go in and just modify it. So now let's go ahead and create a new entry. Or I'm sorry, what am I doing? We're going to go to add a new item, and then we're going to add second entry. Probably should put someone's name there, but I'm not going to. And then reference, we can just go ahead and put same. Then salary, we'll just say this person's making 75,000. And then we'll do that. Okay, and you can see it automatically calculated 5% of 75,000, which is $37.50. So if you guys have any other questions about how to set up calculated columns, please let me know. Otherwise, I hope you enjoyed this video.